So we have the Gamesir, the G4s, and this is what the box looks like all around. And this was sent in for review, so unbox it. Leave that there. And here is the controller. We'll take off the, what they call analog stick nubs. Take it out of the box, we'll leave it to the side and have a look at the contents in the box. So you get a wire, which is used for charging and using it while it's wired. You also get a bracket and the user manual. Let's put that there. And then we'll move the box off to the side. And then this is the controller. We have, let's zoom out. It has a bracket to put your phone in. And all the buttons seem to be really nice and clickable. And then it has, I don't know if you can read these, which you can't. It has a clear and a turbo button, and this is what it looks like on the back. And it has the reset button, and then some details like barcodes and stuff. Charging port, nothing on the bottom. And when connected to the controller, the buttons also light up. And you have light upable buttons. They've got the main button lighting up and then battery indication, which I think is really cool. So I have it paired up with the OnePlus 5, and I also have this controller, which is the T1S, which never did work with the OnePlus 5. So this one works, as you can see. So let's just launch GTA and then we'll see how it plays. It feels a really nice controller, like in the hand. It reminds me of like the Xbox controller, because of the way like the joysticks are. Just mute it for sound. Right, so I've muted the music now, and as you can see, it works flawlessly. Where there's no lag going from like gameplay to the phone. Let's just get out and kill one of these guys. It's probably glitching out. It's probably not a good idea, but you know. Ah, there's, oh shoot. Get back in my car. Oh, there's a police bike. No, that's not the police bike. Let's try it with an emulator this time. Let's try it with the PS2 emulator. Load up Ben 10, because it's the only game that I have downloaded. As you can see, it plays PS2 games quite nicely too. The buttons are quite clicky though, if you like that kind of thing. As you can hear, they're quite clicky. And I fail. So rubbish I am at these games. So I've been TwoTracks and you've been watching me unbox and review the Gamesir G4s controller. Don't forget to like and subscribe and pull that bell button. My Snapchat logo will be over to the left side, and my Instagram and Twitter and donation links will be in the link in the description below. So we'll see you with a gaming video later today.
Well, I'm sorry I was careless, changed this while I thought that we were strangers. Good.